Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, and today we're going to continue doing all our covers on every truck out there. That's right. We're trying to show you, like for example, we're going to do a Bak Flip MX4, and today we're doing it on the GMC Canyon. So come this way. This is the latest generation. This is a 21, and before we get into how it works, I just want you to take a good look on how it looks. Now, I like the Bak Flip. I think it's a good looking cover. It is a flush mount. It's going to sit in the bed, and it's got a really nice textured finish on this. And it does look very nice with the bed caps from the factory. All in all, it looks like it is a OEM product. It looks like it came with this truck right from the factory. So let's go into take a look how it works. Now, this does have a left or right. So if you're standing on the driver's side or passenger side, you can open the cover. See right here? This is your mechanisms for that. Now, if you look up here, you'll see a triple seal instead of a single seal. When they redesigned the covers from the G2 to this, they put the triple seal, and it does a lot better job of keeping the water out. Another nice feature is you can open and close the tailgate while this is closed. Some of the older models, you would have to close the tailgate and then close the cover, not on this model, which is a nice feature. Now, if you look over here, open this up one more time. This has a drainage system. What does that mean? Well, on the side here, you see there's a seal here. Now, if the water was to get past the seal, instead of going into your bed, it's going to get caught in this little system here, and it's going to drain it out. And I don't know if you can see with the camera, but there's two little drainage tubes. And by the way, we did not have to make new holes. We used the factory holes. So it's a nice clean look, and it works very nicely. If you want to drive with this partially open, you can on this cover. If you look over here, you see these little fellas here? Basically, you take this, go ahead and push this in there. You do both sides. You can drive with this as open. You can go 80 miles an hour, not a problem. The aerodynamics of the truck keeps it from going anywhere, plus this is on there. Now, what's nice about the Bak Flip MX4 is most folding covers stop right here. The MX4 has the extra fold. Now this is going to fold forward. It does not cover your third brake light, by the way. And you can drive with this all the way open. So if you want to put a motorcycle back here, you want to put an all-terrain vehicle, or you're just moving furniture, you need that extra space, this cover can do that. Now, another nice thing is this acts as a headache rack. Now, if you're not familiar with a headache rack is something that protects the rear window. So let's say you have a bunch of stuff, you're moving, you got all this furniture back there, and you're driving down the road and someone cuts you off, and you hit the brakes, and all that stuff starts sliding forward. Well, it's going to hit this instead of hitting your very fragile window, which is very expensive to replace. Plus, if you have your family members in the back seat, you definitely don't want that window breaking. So this will protect the truck, protects the window, and most important, it's going to protect your family. So let's go back here. I'll show you how this closes up. Now, if you look over here, there's a little spot, locks it here, nice and clean. Now, when you close this, here's that little locking mechanism that lets you know it's locked in place. Now, they do have a very good warranty. Now, a lot of folding covers have a 1 year warranty, maybe 2, maybe 3. This got a 5-year warranty. So they do cover this from the manufacturer in a great warranty. Also, besides the 5-year warranty, if we have the installation done here at C&H, we give you 1 year on the labor. So you get 1 year labor agreement, which covers if anything goes wrong and they send you a new part, we'll put the part in free of charge. Also, if you do have to put something on top of this, if you put some lumber and you need to put it on top here, this will hold 400 pounds across the top. Now, that's evenly distributed, so it's not like Uncle Louie standing in the middle. But the whole idea, you can put stuff on this. I do recommend putting some towels down so you don't scratch your finish, but it is a textured powder coated finish, so it is very nice, and it's aluminum, so it's a pretty tough cover. If you like this cover and you say, you know what, I like that video, I got that truck, I want that cover. Well, at the bottom of this YouTube video, you see our website. You can go right in there and you can purchase it right off the website. Generally, if you live in the continental US, I will not charge you for shipping on this. Now, if you're not sure about which one fits your vehicle, you have some questions, give us a call at the store. Our phone number is at the bottom as well. You can ask for John, Dave, or myself, Chris, and we'll be glad to walk you through anything you have question-wise on this cover. Now, if you purchase this from us and you're installing it yourself and you have some questions, I'll be glad to walk you through. The directions that come with this are very good, but sometimes you get in there, it's like you're not quite sure about something. If you purchase it from us, I will be more than happy to walk you through any installations. Again, you can also come into our showroom. We are a brick and mortar store. We're not just some guy in a computer hitting the keyboards. So you can come in here, you can see our showroom, have it installed by us. Of course, we ship it anywhere. I mean, buying it from a real company and not some company that just ships stuff and they don't know anything about the product is so much more benefit to you. So you have a problem, it's nice to have a person you can pick up the phone. Hey, John, can you walk me through this install? We can help you with all that stuff. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories. Oh, before I go, don't forget to hit the like button. Yes, we appreciate that. And if you want to stay on top of the newest product, subscribe to our channel. So again, it's Chris with C&H. Thank you very much.